How to remove subtitles in Capcut PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove subtitles in Capcut PC and Mac, so let's dive in. So the process is same for both the devices, you can use either. So first you have to just open the project that you are working on. You can use an existing project or you can just choose a new one. And once you're on the project, you can see it has these subtitles over here. And now I just want to remove these subtitles. So if you want to remove a subtitle, just select it and then click delete on your keyboard. And now if you want to remove all the subtitles, just select these all and then you have to just click delete on your keyboard. And now you can see the subtitles have been removed from the video, and that's the only process that you can follow to remove subtitles from your CapCut video on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.